Hey guys, on the last video I showed you how I was using System.io as my all-in-one tool um, that you need to build, an online business. So I'm going to actually show you guys. So this is my main account and I have several of my funnels in there. But I'm going to show you from a brand new account because basically the all-in-one tool you need, like if you are on a budget and you don't have a ton of extra funds and you just want to do everything under one platform, System.io, in my opinion, is the way to go. And of course, there'll be a link in the description below if you guys want one of my free templates. So the template I use to share a Google spreadsheet is this one right here, the Google Sheet. So this will actually be in the description below. But what I did is I created a capture page where if you actually look at this, it looks like it's a Google Sheet. So when you click on the link below, it'll pop up like this and it will say, would you like access to my tools and resources? You just simply put your email in right here. You hit I'm not a robot and you hit request access. When you do that, what it will do is it will automatically forward you over to this page right here where I have my tools and all of the resources I use personally in my business to build my online business. And that actually is a free funnel you can get over here, right here where it says get my free funnel. I'll blow this up a little bit. You can actually click this and it will import that into your System.io account, and you can use this funnel, create like a checklist or a resource guide for the people who are going to subscribe to you, and you will be able to get leads from that. So like when people enter that, I actually have them on an email list now that I get to email them. And so what I've done with this account is this is like my main account. But what I did for the social traffic site that I have is I actually created an all new account. So this is brand new. It's not even upgraded yet, but I wanted to show you guys, just to show you like upgraded. I'm still on the um, $0 a month plan. If you're getting started, this is what I would do. I would get a free account. Then the first thing I would do is I would come over here to settings. I would establish right here what you want your profile by social traffic, social traffic. This is going to be, I'm going to just fill this out. This will be, let's see, well, I'm going to do my office phone number or my office address. Um, but you want to do, basically you want to fill this out. 28277. I am in, let's see, North. This is in North Carolina. I don't think I know my phone number for this website. I don't know if you have to put this. I'm gonna put a company. Um, Actually, I'm just gonna keep it right here for right now. But you want to save your information so that you have this on here, and then it will save your changes. And then what you want to do is you want to come down here to where it says custom domains. This is where your the link is that you can use your free domain. I would recommend getting a proper domain name. So like I own buysocialtraffic.com and .net. So like I'm transitioning. So like right now, buysocialtraffic.net was the site we always used. This is an older site. We are revamping it to look like this, buysocialtraffic.com. And then this is the one I'm going to use and build with this new account from scratch to show you guys kind of the step-by-step of building an online business and using this free resource until you obviously outgrow it. Now, I will probably upgrade this sooner than most people would have to because I'm going to use multiple tags, email campaigns, things like that, because I already kind of am established with this. I'm not brand new. But the first thing you actually want to come and do is I would come in here to emails, and right under the set, like, so you go to your settings, you have a brand new account, you go to settings, you go to emails, you want to authenticate a domain name. Now, if you do not have a domain name, I recommend getting one at Namecheap. That is actually on my tools and resources page right over here. Hosting, I am actually currently using Hostinger for like my blogs and things like that, but you won't even need hosting if you're just going to use System.io. And you can use that for completely free getting started. So I would register a domain name right here at Namecheap, get a domain. I would come over to your account and I would say, click here to authenticate your domain. You put in yourdomainname.com, you hit save. What it's going to do is it's going to come up here to status and it's going to say pending or processing or verifying. It's waiting for you to take these DNS settings. And when you open that up, there's going to be some settings that they're going to give you that you will have to go over to Namecheap and you will have to set up CNAME records and things like that. There's other videos online that you can look up how to do that. But the first thing you want to do is get a proper domain name verified. Then what you want to do is you want to click here to confirm your email address. You want to create an email address. I created support@bisocialtraffic.com and I added that here, and then it said pending until it sent me an email, and then I clicked the little button and it verified. That way you can send your emails from a proper support@domainname.com. You can't leave it as a Gmail or whatever. That won't help your deliverability. Once you have those things verified, the next thing I would do is I would come over here into emails and I would set up your campaigns. So the first thing I did is I set up a campaign because the list I'm going to be building here are people who are using our dashboard to do promotional campaigns and ads and things like that. So I hit create and then I put in dashboard welcome email. I selected the email I want to use, which is the proper one you just got verified. And then I just described it as this is the first email to the customers who come into my funnel who are dashboard users. And then what I have done is I've started the email. Thank you, by social traffic user. That's going to be my email subject line. I'm going to send them a message. It's not quite complete yet, but once this is complete, I will hit save and publish. This is going to come back. This is going to come back right here, and it will be the first email they get once they come into my funnel or I import them. However, you're going to be building your autoresponder. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here and I'm going to set up the next email. And these are going to go sequential, first day, couple days later, couple days later, couple days later. So anytime a lead, which this is what you do. So like contacts will come in. When they come in, you want to create, I will actually create a tag right now because the tag I'm going to want to create is going to be right here, tag. I'm going to create a tag and I'm going to call it dashboard. That's going to tell me this is going to be a buy social traffic customer who is using our dashboard. That is how they're going to get into this funnel. Once they are in here, I will come over once we've created, here's the campaign. You will be, and I'll probably do this on another video, but what you actually will want to do is when these people come in and are tagged, you are going to want to put them into this campaign. So these tags, and you can have one tag with a free account. So once you need 2 or 3 or 4 tags, you're going to need to upgrade. So now if you're going to import some leads, like if you already have some contacts, which I will because we already have dashboard users, so we will export those names and emails from our dashboard and we will import them here. So if you're going to import contacts, what you would actually do is you'd hit this little import contacts. I would put, let's say I'm going to bring in our top 50 users. I would actually tag them as dashboard users, and then I would select the campaign welcome email. And then hit next, import them. They're automatically going to all be tagged as dashboard, and then they're going to automatically be sent into the email campaign that we set up right here that right now only has one email. I am actually going to set up the entire autoresponder so that it's weeks worth of content. And then every couple weeks or whatever, I will keep adding to that because this is the autoresponder they're going to continuously get and it's going to be set up. So it doesn't matter when they come into this series, they are at day 0. As soon as they get tagged and put into this, they're at day 0. There will be a series of these emails, which I will show on a later video, but it'll show them going through that. You want to keep obviously adding to this autoresponder so that eventually you've got, years worth of emails to send people. Now that is different from newsletters. So, if I put it, if let's just say I brought in 20 people, 20 people entered it today. In a few more days, I bring in 20 more of our leads. Now we've got 40 people in there. They're good, but the first 20 are on day 3. The new 20 are on day 1. So it's going to gradually progress through the autoresponder series. Now, if I want to send a newsletter, I can simply send a newsletter where I can send a blast to all of my email subscribers. That's the difference between the newsletter setting and the campaign setting. So you're seeing this from a brand new account perspective. And as I keep doing videos, I will show you the progress of this and how the entire thing works. So that was just kind of an intro to, if you're going to use an all-in-one platform, System.io is what I recommend people use, because you really can do everything from here. Now my website, full disclosure, I do it on WordPress, and I use Hostinger as my hosting service now. And I get my domain names at, Namecheap, but I have an entire website that I run there. But now I'm moving all my funnels and everything through here. Now you can build your blog here if you want to. If you want to save money, then you would point your domain so that it would be, yourdomain.com. It would go to your blog. And then you would build some sales funnels so that you could start collecting leads based around that. So you can fully do everything from here. It's just a matter of I'm already pretty established with my stuff. I am just kind of moving off of ClickFunnels and over into System.io because it just does everything I want, and it's a lot more inexpensive. So anyway, if you guys the other thing, if you guys want to get like extra training or extra help, I do have this Facebook group over here that I'll link to in the bottom. It's Market Pacer Accelerator. I do free trainings on Wednesday, and I try and help answer. Look, social media post from my company. See, it just got posted 26 minutes ago. I've been on here talking, and it posted automatically, which are other tools that I will talk about and show how it's automating my social media content. But this is the group I have over here for free. I try and help people answer questions, do things like that. If you want to join that group, I'll link it in the description below. Also, it is on the tools and resources page. If you want to join the Facebook group, it is on here as well. The free training, you can get access to that right here that I do. But anyway, like, subscribe, comment, ask me any questions. I'll be doing some follow-up videos showing the progression of building this business out with System.io and kind of transitioning things from where I've had my stuff onto here, and then how that list is going to be growing, doing traffic, analytics, things like that. So anyway, you guys have a great day, and we will see you on the next video.